Here comes my bird.
How long you gonna drink it or what?
Okay. Keep at me a little. Keep me going.